Hello and welcome to another edition of Maths Plus. Today we'll be solving completing the square of a quadratic equation. Here we have 2x squared plus 8x minus 15. First of all, we need to factor out the 2 from the original equation. The internal terms will be divided by 2. The 8 becomes a 4. The 15 will become 15 over 2. Now we're going to complete the square. Concentrate on the x squared plus 4x primarily. Now we're going to divide the 4 by 2, and then we're going to square that number to get the 4. This is completing the square. Let's look at some other examples of completing the square. If we have x, again divide the 8 by 2 and we will get a 4. Now we're going to square the 4 and then we get a 16. So that's equal to 8 plus 4 all to be squared. Add in your outside terms. You can see that we have an additional value here, which is negative 4. This is the balance of the plus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation is still balanced. Now let's simplify. Complete your square by closing the brackets around the 2, which again is half the 4. Sum up your external values and let's see what we're going to get as a result. Two brackets x plus 2 to be squared, and 2 by minus 23 over 2 is minus 23. Thank you for joining Maths Plus. Like and subscribe.